Hello, hello! Welcome to the wonderful world of alto saxophone playing. This is Fran the band girl here, trying to guide you through how to put together and take apart your new saxophone. We're going to start by putting it on a flat surface with the logo side up. If you don't do this, everything's going to fall out. There's a place for everything in your case. It's made to hold exactly that piece. Take note of where you take things from. The body is the biggest part of the saxophone. The neck screws into the top of that. The mouthpiece then goes onto the neck piece, and then you hold it all on your body with the neck strap. The end plug is for when you're done playing. Before you use a cane reed for the first time, you're going to get a glass of water and soak it in that water for 15 minutes. Then take it out of the water, lay it on a flat glass surface, and press with your finger from the thick part of the reed to the tip, closing those fibers. You can also use a synthetic reed, like this one. Here's how you put it onto the mouthpiece. First, you're going to loosen the ligature that holds the reed on. Put it in thick part first, the flat side of the reed against the face of the mouthpiece. Once the reed is adjusted so that's perfectly in the center, I call it the Goldilocks position, then tighten down the ligature. Once you start playing, you'll know if it's not in the Goldilocks position. Check to see if it's too high or low or off to the side, and fix it. Tighten down that ligature again. Perfect. The next thing to do is to put the neck into the body. Unscrew the top of the body, slip the neck piece in, tighten the screw. And then you may need to put some cork grease on the corks so that the mouthpiece will slide on easily. Just dab a little bit on. Use your fingers to rub it in. Keep a tissue nearby because you're going to want to clean off your fingers when you're done. And next you're going to put the mouthpiece together. Slide it carefully onto the cork that you just greased. Try not to touch the reed or the ligature part. Gently twist it on, push it in just right. You want to be careful that you're not touching any of the keys either because you could bend them. When you play, you want to keep a straight airstream, so make sure that you adjust the saxophone to you so that your head and neck are straight. When the inevitable time comes that you have to take apart your saxophone, unscrew the ligature and carefully push the reed from the thick side out to the tip. Wipe it down so that it does not stay wet, and then carefully put it tip first into your reed case. Storing it there will make sure that it stays protected and doesn't warp. Carefully twist and remove your mouthpiece. Wipe it down with the cloth that you should have in your case. We're going to take off the neck first. Unscrew the part that you tightened down before to hold it in place, and then gently pull the neck piece off. Next, you're going to run the swab through the bottom of that neck piece through to the tip, always pulling the moisture out the way you put it in. Not gonna lie, it's kind of awkward cleaning out the body, but you do need to do that because it will rust eventually. Put the weighted end of the string into the bell, and you're going to have to wiggle it around to get it to go through that curve. Just keep jiggling it around until it pops out the other end, and then you can pull it all the way through, pulling all the moisture out with it. Don't forget the end plug. That's going to protect the body so the neck can get in without having any dents to deal with. Everything goes back into the place and close it up tight. Until next time, which incidentally shouldn't be any later than tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.